Alright, so the goal of these cars is to make it across the entire track. Who will make it first?
He is still dancing. Hold that. He's still
5. Green goes first. 3, 4, 5. I beat you. Blue gets 4. Actually, no, red gets 4. Ha! Wait, you won? Oh no, red's in the lead. Aww. Well, who's gonna win? I'm in the lead. Of course I'm better. Oh god, he's gonna win. Not on my watch. I win. Eat my dust. Rematch. Hi guys, this is me, AG43. Today I'm gonna be having my own little virtual car race at this table. So the goal works like this. Spin the die, whatever number it lands on, you have to go out across this track. Pick whichever color on the red, blue, RBGY. Whichever one makes it all the way across first, wins. So, let's hear on me to demonstrate. 3. Yellow goes first. 1, 3. 2. Blue goes first. 2. 5. Currently, green is in the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green.
21.
Green wins. And second place comes red. Who's gonna win for third? In third place comes blue, and in last place comes yellow. It's also kind of fun. You know what? What if we just go like this? Yay, red won! So, alright, the final round. This time, whoever wins, they get a certain number of tickets. If the green one wins, I get 4 tickets. If the blue one wins, I get 6 tickets. If the red one wins, I get 1 ticket, and if the yellow one wins, I get 2. Green goes first. Blue goes next at 4. Red goes next at 2. Yellow goes next at 5. So currently yellow and green are in the lead. Green goes first. Ooh. You know what? I'll get the 6 tickets in a little while. I had a little too much fun. Time to run you over. Okay, so color match. Here's how it works. Grab the other dice and I'm gonna demonstrate. 2 of your random colored friends are stuck on these die. You 2, ketchup and mustard, I mean red and yellow, have to knock them off. Whoever knocks their friend off first wins. Go. Red, you have green. Yellow, you have blue. Or anyone. Go! Looks like yellow wins with a half chipped. Looks like red loses. And green gets to move. So, I got this new stack. Stack? My stack now. Or stack. We need to escape the exit. Yeah. Get off. Get off, yellow red. Hey, who said it's your stack? Yeah, so bossy. Yeah, I don't like mustard. I'm gonna knock you over. Huh? No. No. I'm going to win. Ah, looks like I'm better than the 3 of you. Wait, green, stop. I can't move. stop, 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 I beg of you. Ah.
See if I can find it.
Well, yellow and green are dead. You want to do a race? If I win, I get 5 tickets. I mean, I get 6. You win, you get a measly 3. It's on. Well, they're dead, so it's up to us. Well, I'm going first. Well, looks like we're tied at the end. Well, good luck, my friend. Oh, good luck to you. So he gets 12 tickets. I won and I got 6. And he won and he got 6. 6, 6, 12, 18. I'm gonna give you memes. Alright, time to switch. Green, go with blue. I'll go with red. Yeah, that worked so better last. Alright. So let's see. They go for 1, they go for 1. 3. So, who's next? We're in the lead. Is there like a ticket thing? Oh no, just for fun. If we get a 6, we're gonna win. No. Time for those 12 tickets. What happened? So,